Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we'll design this piece in FreeCAD using these dimensions. So first, create new file, select part design workbench, create board, create sketch in XY plane. In here, click in the cycle tool and draw this cycle. In this model we can see the cycle have a radius of 100 feet and a pad of 10. So select this tool, click in the cycles and put this form. And now close the sketch, press this icon, this pad tool, and the length is 10. Okay, press home, select this face, create sketch, select the cycle tool and draw this cycle. In this model we can see a radius of 7 and a pad of 300. So let's come back and select this tool, change this diameter to 100 foot, close the sketch, go to pad tool, and here in the link to set 300, click OK. And now create a new sketch in XY plane. And here switch to section view, clicking this icon, this tool, and extract this line and this, okay, only this edge. And here select rounded rectangle tool and draw this rectangle. Okay, so let's see the dimensions of this sketch. Here we have a height of 310, and we have this dimension, we have this fillet, okay, we have these cycles, and we have this, the diameter of this all. So okay, let's do that. So pick this tool and click in this origin point to the center of this arc, and we set 100 foot. Choose this tool and change the radius of this arc to 15. Okay, and now let's constrain this point and this point, horizontal constraint, this in this origin point, the same horizontal constraint, and here we can constrain vertical these 2 points. Click here. So now pick the cycle tool and draw these 3 cycles. Select all cycles and make equal, and now constrain these 3 points, vertical constraints. And now let's give dimension of these cycles. Okay, so select this tool and change this diameter to this dimension. Pick this vertical tool and set the distance to 115. Here too. And now we select this point and this point and put this formula. And use this horizontal distance, and here we set it. Okay, so close the sketch, press home, and now go to pad tool. The pad of this of this part is this dimension. So we change here to and check this symmetric to plane option and click OK. And here select this face, create new sketch, go to center the rectangle tool and draw this rectangle, delete this line, pick the arc tool and draw this arc between these 2 points. Pick this vertical distance tool and here set 10. Constrain this diameter to 100. No? Yes. Okay. So now close the sketch. Go to pocket tool and here change the type to triangle and click OK. Okay. So now select this face and create a new sketch. Okay. Use this select this cycle tool and draw this cycle. So as you can see in this model, we have 7 holes. So the radius for this cycle is 100. The diameter of the cycles is 20. So okay, we draw these 7 cycles. Then we select all cycles and make it equal. Okay. Now let's change the diameter of these cycles to 20 and here 200. Okay. So now constrain this point and this point, this origin point, vertical constraint, and this point in this origin point, horizontal constraint. Okay. So if we back to the model, we see this distance. We have 160 and 120. So pick this horizontal distance tool, select this point and this point, change the length to 120, pick this vertical distance tool, select this point and set 160. Okay, so now click in this symmetrical tool, select this point, this line and this point. Okay, and now select this vertical constraint, select this point and this point. Okay, so close the sketch, go to pocket tool and here change the type to triangle and click OK. So as you can see, we have this part. So it's all. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.